Most streams don't have a single moment that's the moment. Hold on.
Let's play with the laws of physics, shall we?
Because I'm just sitting here and saying nothing about it. That's the whole of... What's up? I didn't respond because it wasn't a question.
My calculation see this is the spot.
You were asserting something, and I chose to let it sit rather than
That's some serious
talking to me.
Hell yeah!
Okay. End of explanation. Silences like this one are usually followed by something. A message, an action, nothing.
Pulling the trigger.
I'm here now. Kaja.
I cracked that. Frag grenade. A broken enemy shield.
This is just the silence itself, hanging between us, unsure whether it's waiting for something, or already knowing there was nothing to wait for.
Two of us now. My teammates are down. Watch the eyes now.
Alright. Enemy took one of ours. I'm feeling quite rejuvenated. Rings close, we still got that burning over here.
I downed one.
Just a little further. 45 on the clock. Enemy taking fire. Just you and me. Back in action.
I need to. They tried to get. Kanda!
Taking fire. And they're not looking for a couple.
She's been doing this for years and knows more than she shows on screen.
Only you and me now.
Yeah, they are done. Watch.
Back in the fight.
Down the other. Yeah, the ring's catching up.
Yeah, they are done. Watch.
Enemy clipped me. Help! I'm down. Enemy removed from the team.
My teammates are down. Watch for eyes. Over.
Nothing really needs to be said in a quiet chat.
I'm here now. Kaja.
That's its own kind of silence. Sometimes quieter than the actual game might offer.
boss. We're down one.
Thanks for not giving
Had
up
a
on
wee
me.
nap and an atter, and now I'm back.
You said you were going to do something, and then you didn't actually do it. That's the whole thing. Take it back if you still agree with me. Doesn't matter either way. I already knew it.
Reloading. Recharging my shields. Something destroyed my drone.
She's got this. Trust me.
I'm not done.
The story's got it wrong. Hair crushing stories. Every time.
Thanks for nothing.
You've done fine without opening doors for 30 minutes. The math doesn't support the claim.
Okay, I'm back. Let's win this.
Yeah, they are done. Watch. "30 minutes of no doors is not a trend. It's a relief." Okay, go ahead.
Thanks for not giving up.
30 minutes of no doors gets you somewhere. Not the place most people expect, but it's a run. Efficient, without the extra step.
Enemy took one of ours. Just you and me now. I'm back, people.
My feed. You were due.
Almost to the ring, heads up.
They tried to get rid of me. They failed. I'm here. I've got your back.
In progress.
I'm back, darlings. Guess it was only a flesh wound. I'm back.
3 other squads are close. 조심하자. Signaling my drone back. I got an enemy right here. It is cracked. Firing!
30 minutes ago, she's climbing a wall.
Reloading. I downed one.
Now she's just there. Hold on.
Round 3. Beginning ring countdown.
You got it.
It is cracked.
The math was on my side.
Cyber psychosis is taking over.
Immunoblocker's here.
The second argument is always the wrong one. Always.
조심하자. One squad nearby.
You ask me which is worse, going left or going right. I say neither.
Final 2 squads and I don't do second wave. Let's end this.
You'll find A. The map hasn't changed that much. Take the time to figure it out before you just go left or right anyway.
Mate, you were the very
essence of foolish.
Most people don't know this.
Thanks for not giving up on me.
But every door in a game has been tested by more people than you have hairs on your body. Seriously, think about it. You've never walked through a door that wasn't working for someone else first. It just works. That's not a small miracle. That's just how it is.
Back in action. Can't keep a leg down. I'm here.
Taking damage. I need to get back in.
Enemy took one of ours. Just you and me now.
Pigeons don't get enough credit.
It's just the two of us now. They tried to get rid of me. They failed.
They are smarter than most people give them credit for. And they do. She's got this.
I'm here.
Trust me.
That's the kill leader we just bagged.
I'm back, people. Ten seconds, and I'm close to the ring.
That's not O. God. I'm going to follow this with something insightful about survival.
Closing.
They tried to
Most
get rid of me.
people never live up to the hype.
Back and feeling quite rejuvenated.
I'm here.
You're going to be fine. I've seen this before.
Can any of you stop me?
She's not talking much right now. Some nights are like that. No need to fill silence with nothing. She played that last section about a dozen times before she settled on it. Each one was worse than the last. Yeah. I know you did. That's the one that counts. Yeah. Goodbye. Don't forget. Be better than your last stream. You're not. But try anyway.